What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on Money Monday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, this is a quick update, breaking news for Smart Desktop AI. It appears that they are over. That's right. Appears they are over. I went in to go to the page. The page is not working. Went over to the school community. They've changed the name of the group. Okay. They made some posts in there, and it just appears as they're no longer. But I'll let you take a look. I went to the site. It's not coming up. All right. And what's strange about it is this was already something kind of people had paid for before. So it's not like it just appeared out of nowhere in July. Folks had paid, what was it, $187? This is the site I was using. Was it $187 before? I think they were paying $187 a month or something like that, right? So, who knows? What in the world? So, wanted to just bring that to you guys and let you know. So, let's take a look here. Let's go over to that link. Hang on. Okay, now earlier when I came here, this wasn't even coming up at all. But it's going very, very slowly now. But you basically can't get in here. I went over to the school community, okay, and over here they've changed the name of the group, and they're saying, hey, we've changed the name, and that's telling me a lot right there. Transitioned into the marketing group. And then right here, you see someone says, I just went to the SDAI website to see the latest update. The site is down. Anyone else experiencing that? All right. So we see that it is down because I'm still, it's still loading here. But earlier, it wouldn't even come up. And intermittently, as you can see, look at what it's doing right now. Loading very slowly. But intermittently, it will pop up with 503, unavailable. So I'm assuming this thing is over. Oh well. Typically, I don't see this in network marketing. I haven't seen this in network marketing, especially if the thing was already working and folks were paying a monthly fee or whatnot. I have never experienced it. So anyway, that's what it looks like to me. So I just want to let you guys know. I've already removed it from my Coffee and Coins page because this has been going on for quite a bit now. These commissions were supposed to be for July. We're in mid-September. And just about every other day or so, they were making notes in the dashboard that whatever was going to be happening, and it just hadn't happened. All right, let me try to click this and see what happens. Hang on. Okay, it's just spinning. You can't see it, but it's spinning when I try to click. All right, and so when I click refresh again, it's back here again. So at any rate, I'm going to say at this time, at this moment, that it's a done deal. Okay, now again, I've taken it off my page. If and when this thing works and we can see that something's going on, see, now it just flipped again, we may revisit it. But at this moment, I'm going to say it's a wrap, okay? And it would be a miracle, I guess, if those checks would show up. Now, for me personally, when I gave them my information, I used a prepaid debit card information. All right, so I'm not concerned about that part of it, and of course a PO box address, and that's where we stand. So anyway, just wanted to update you guys on Smart Desktop AI. disappointing, actually. Very disappointing, because it seemed to be something that we definitely could use in this space. All right. Now, if something changes, I will let you guys know. And that's the other thing. The Telegram. Okay, let's check this out. Let me show you this real quick before I let you go. Check this out. And the Telegram has everybody here, but you can no longer see right here, sending messages is not allowed in the group. Right? And then there was a note today. Is that today? Oh, that was a note. Yeah, today, right here. From Scotty saying that there was a scam alert, and this is really not his account. Someone cloned his profile. It appears here. So this Telegram group is not even active as it was. All right. So we've seen those signs in the crypto space when the Telegram group disappears. Psh, it's the first time I've seen it in network marketing. Okay. But at any rate, that's it. That's all. Just wanted to bring this update to you guys. If you're interested in checking out my other opportunities, let's go over to my page. Let me show you. I've updated it. That's the old one there. Hang on. Let's see. Is it here? Hold on a second. All right. So what we've done is we've removed them from the page. And if you come down, crypto, right here, here's one of our digital programs. So we've got our top three digital programs in a row right here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. All right. All right, guys. So that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.